ಹೊಡಿದೋಳು ತಂದೆಯವ್ವ ಬಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕಡಿಯೋ ಬಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಆ ಆ ಕಡಿಯೋ ಕೇಳೋ ಈ ಬೀರೋ ಕೇಳೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಷರಮಾಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಷರಮಾಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬನ್ನಿ ಓಡೋಂತಾರ ಜೀವನ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ನಿಲ್ಲುವಂತಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಣಮಲೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಣಮಲೆ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಬನ್ನಿ ಧೂಮ್ದ ಮಾಡಿ ದೂರ ನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾ 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 ಗುಂಗುನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಖಾ 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 ಗುಂಗುನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೋಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾತ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೋಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾತ ಖಾ 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 ಗಾ 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 ಬಾ 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 ಮಾ 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 ನಾವು ಕಳಿತೆವು ನಾವು ಗೆಳಿತೆವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬನ್ನಿ ಓಡೋಂತಾರ ಜೀವನ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ನಿಲ್ಲುವಂತಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಣಮಲೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಣಮಲೆ ಸೆರೆಗೂ ಇಳಿಯಲು ಪಾತ ಮುಗಿಯಿತು ಹೊಸ ತಲೆ ಹೊಸ ಬೆಲೆ
I am Sudha. My name is Sudha. Remember always. The singular, alone, मैं अकेला, alone. Proper name is feminine gender. That is not अकेला, अकेली. Very, very important. That's the language. See, the whatever the small things in the life. What is a curve? It's a small thing. Then it's a curve. Anything, you know. What's a human needs? Attitude, some values of life. Correct, okay? So like that small things, you know. Nanu oppale bandi. Yes, sir. ನಾನು ಕಲಿತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಕಲಿತೀನಿ kindly take a print out whatever madam has said because it's not that easy. Perfect Kannada. ನಾನು ಕಲಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಮಸ್ತೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬನ್ನಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ yeah anyway not yet then madam is very small session no she has given a very strong message yet to recover correct sir happy sir ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಬೇಡ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಾತು ಚೋಟಿ ಚೋಟಿ Oh, Chikka Benandana. Yeah. Short, good, congratulations speech. Matu. M-A-A-T-U. ಚಿಕ್ಕ
ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು
ಖಂಡಿತ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಇವರಿಗೆ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮಿಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸ ಇದು ತವಣ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸೊ ಅಲರ್ಟ್. ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷಾ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ನನಗೆ, ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷಾ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಅನ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ, ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್, ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ, ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್. ಆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷಾ ಕಲಿಯೋಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ನೀವು ತಮಾಷೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನೀವು. Correct. Now I will sit. Now you sit, she will stand. Madam, thank you so much. Yeah.
You have to sit here and speak in English so that everybody can understand. It's been 3 months, sir, since you've been coming here. So on behalf of all of us, firstly, I want to say thank you so much.
Thank you.
I also want to pinpoint something here, as out of all of you, sometimes I happen to come first. Right, I open the doors. Kannada class has become part of all our Sundays, not just because of our love and will to understand a new language and learn a new language, but also in a way how he teaches us. Right, I don't think out of all of us, one thing that is common, the second thing which is common in this class, one is that well, none of us technically know Kannada. Second thing which is common is you'll always see smiling faces. All of us are always smiling. It's never, language is very difficult. Any language to learn is very difficult. And it gets boring. Let's be very honest. After a while it gets very boring. I don't think I've ever been bored in this class. True. Every Sunday spending 2.5 hours, and if you see all of us, we are different age groups. We are people who have families. We have people coming from really far away, ma'am coming from really far away. People, our age group is maybe somewhere from 20s to 90s. So we are all inclusive sort of a class, and still everybody smiles, everybody understands, it's very communal, right? In today's day and time when we don't find communities so easily, I am glad I got to meet all of you because of sir. Also want to thank, while none of them are here, but the CWA to at least take an initiative to be able to, bring people together just to learn. Another thing I want to mention, there were many times while most of the people who are sitting here, we are also part of a WhatsApp group called as the regulars, because we are the ones who 80-90% we were here. Right? We've, of course, 1 or 2 classes we've missed, but we were always here. Out of the initial, I think 40 plus people, 10, 12, 15 people who have always made time to come. But every Sunday, and this activity is not just for Sunday. Our class might end on Sunday, but we continue on the WhatsApp group. Maggie keeps sending things, and I literally I take my notebook the moment she writes. By the end of the day, I come back home. That's my activity. I actually have 2 pens. I write.
Wow.
One in whatever she is writing, and that's the spirit of this group. That's how it has been. I'm also very glad that because of CW, I technically have made new friends, and I think it goes for all of us, right? So finally, cutting it short, on behalf of all of us, sir, we want to say a big thank you. Dhanyavadagalu. And I actually completely forgot. I'll give you this, sir.
And now you can read it.
I'll read it out. So I will.
Wonderful, yeah. This say I will see so many certificates. ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರಶಂಸಾ ಪತ್ರಗಳು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯವಾದಂತಹ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಪತ್ರ, ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪತ್ರ. Really great.
Sir has designed this. This has Vidhan Soda. I will read it.
Yeah.
So this has Vidhan Soda and Mysore Palace because of the importance of. And he designed all of this.
So, and Thomas sir,
Thank you.
ಇವರ ಹಸ್ತ ಬರೀ ಹಸ್ತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಮೃತ ಹಸ್ತ. Yeah. His hand is not a hand, it's a marble hand. No, Amrita Shila. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wonderful.
On
Oh, see, ಹಿಂದೆ ಸಹಿ ಇದೆ, ಸಹಿ. ಕನ್ನಡ just 2 letters for signature. ಸಹಿ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಹಿ ನನಗೆ 1 ಕೋಟಿ ಸಮಾನ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಹಿ ನಾಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ಪ್ರಶಂಸೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಹೃದಯ ಮಾತು. ನಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಮೌತ್, ಮೈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯು. ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೀಚರ್. I received this is actually next time I will WhatsApp to show. I received one very good certificate because getting it's okay. Dawat Chand Gelhot gave an excellent appreciation certificate with that Ashoka Chakra Manu. Only governor can use that in a golden this one also. Yes, given. And this is the second Ashoka Chakra.
I will read it. With gratitude, dear Minister Dr. Ganamurthy Avare Namaskar. We thank the Richmond Langford Town CWA and Vivek Foundation in their mission of promoting Kannada Godilla to Kannada Barute. We are grateful to you for helping us learn conversational Kannada. Your friendly approach, patience, forgiving nature, encouragement, and approach to learning the language of our state with fun is commendable. We all have benefited in varying degrees and have overcome the hesitation to speak Kannada, albeit with some imperfections. You have infused in us keenness to connect with Kannadigas and help integrate in society in a pleasing manner. Keep up the good work, sir. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೃದಯ ದಿನ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ದಿವ್ಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು. Now, this is for you, sir. Also from all of us, if some of you can just come in and,
You just do the honor.
No, come. Thank you. Yeah. Sir,
Together, give.
please come.
I'm an old man, but there's one thing I have noticed. If a class is good, it grows. And if a class is boring, slowly depletes. This is a class that grows.
Yay!
Can you please hand them over?
ಬನ್ನಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಸರ್ ಬನ್ನಿ.
Thank you.
A way for a teacher like you to learn Kannada. ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡನ ತುಂಬ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ರಿ. So correct me after I finish.
No, everything is correction. You're not given me the scope to correct it.
You introduce the language in a simple and engaging way. ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Every class was enjoyable. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. Your positive and encouraging nature is something I will always remember. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿಯೋದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ಇದೆ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಅರ್ಥಪೂರ್ಣ ಇದೆ. ಇಸ್ ಎ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್, ನಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್, ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಪದಗಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಮೇಡಮ್ ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ.
We are just welcoming you. If you please get a while.
Sir, what a department, sir.
Everything that you see here is made in all our homes, has been gotten specially for not just you but all of us to celebrate this community, this group of friends that we've become. And I think with that I'll close this off. I also want to say thank you.
Come on, sing a song. Song. Come on, do it.
Choose a song. I put all everything together.
Yeah. Come on.
So not anything, yeah.
Oh yeah, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, anything.
Choose one song. No, anything you want. You're okay with it. Anika, Artika.
Yeah, youngsters.
What are the youngsters doing? Just type it out. Younger than us.
I've all wrong songs coming to me.
That's what I mean.
It's the worst song.
के मेरा गोलिया चली,
गोलियां चली है.
कन्नड़ा चली. तो बनी
Okay, sir.
बनी यार चली.
We should really have like a Kannada.
Just come.
Yes.
Yes. Any song. Good. ಬನ್ನಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬನ್ನಿ. ಹುಟ್ಟಿದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಬೇಕು. ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಹಾಡು.
Lungi dance.
Lungi, yes, good. Yeah, come on, dear man.
Arpita,
Yes, come.
Arpita Thalaima.
Oh, sir, bani, please come, do. Okay, good. Sir, can't pick up the mic, sir. Camera.
Tambala lai, oh booty tambala lai, aati tambala, kanti tambala, so oh baby, going to church. darling, without saying the first, we darling, stooping for the man. Oh, ask it, Pampal, lay, lay. Oh, Kiki, Pampal, lay, lay. Ask it, Pampal, lay, lay. Bulko, bulko, lay, lay.
चलते
मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना,
कभी
अलविदा ना कहना।
चलते
मेरे ये गीत
याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी
अलविदा ना कहना। ओए हंसते बस यूं ही तुम गुनगुनाते रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना,
कभी अलविदा ना
कहना।
Very nice. Dhoti, kapda,
और
dancing,
Yes.
entertainment. So, entertainment and
Entertainment.
ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. So, but anything, sister, what we can do once in 50 days or something like that, we'll just meet or once in a month. You can fix up the time or the place and where. So I think we can just meet and so on.
So once a month.
So kindly WhatsApp your address, sir, please.
Yes.
I will send that book also.
Yeah.
Do not forget that, please. I want your residential letter also. Very valuable book. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಮೋ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಸರ್. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸರ್, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ರಿಯಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಾಟಿನಮ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೀಮ್, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಕೋಟಿ ಕೋಟಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಮಗೆ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ, ಲಾಭವಾಗಲಿ, ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಲಿ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲನೋ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ. ಫ್ರಮ್ ನಾನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟು ನಾನೂ ಕನ್ನಡ. I am really and thank you, Dr. Madam. What's the fee? Doctor, so Margaret Madam ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Sir, keep just going through that WhatsApp also. That really helps a lot. I send you small words and small sentences. So, Margaret Madam, ನಮ್ಮ Siddha Welfare Association kindly convey thanks to her for the opportunity. And really I'm grateful to say for having taking initiative, coming, sir, it is something very interesting. Because you are all from the Department of Technology, Department of Medical Medicine, background, and madam, all are from different walks of life. Yeah, and great administrator. Shaheen madam is going to become councillor of this area. Yeah. So in advance, congratulations. And all young and dynamic. My madam is so, I remember always, Yeah. Somnath Puri. Thank you so much. Very senior lady.